usually when we do a long catheter procedure, it's good to have it done in sterile situation, but when you do with the later. When you do a short catheter, you don't need that whole stuff, yeah. Yeah, so we'll try to do it here. I think here is the branch which they draw there on this examination sheet. So we will start here with the branch when you can see the branch, yeah.
It's a hot, yes.
Yeah, it is amazing part in this. And the wire, live wire? You have a live wire as well? I usually use the J, yeah, the J guide wire to not rupture the vein. But when the vein is very small, when it's 2 millimeters diameter, it's impossible to insert the guide wire like that. And with the 4 French catheter, the curve is much smaller, so that's why I usually use the 4 French catheter, yeah, especially for that small vein. So if I won't manage to put this, I will go in that direction, yeah. So we will see. Okay. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. I will try to do it in the same, in the place when I did the anesthesia. So the lady won't, I hope she won't feel it. Especially that the length of the wire is usually quite similar like the length of the catheter. It's not longer. Yeah. Sometimes it's a little bit painful for patient, but we have to do the bigger hole. Okay, and we put the inside the catheter, and we will see. Okay?
Yeah, I feel just a little bit pressure.
A little bit. Yeah. It's not pain. I'm sorry, I must, you shouldn't do it like this, yeah? You should always have a straight hands. Doing this, so you put the catheter, I can feel that it's not going easily. Okay. And because of the blood flow, I usually put, and with the syringe, and I flash it, yeah? And we will see how it is. You can see that it is in the vein. Then we are going to the junction, of course. 3%, yeah. And you can see the junction. And we pull the catheter to the junction, yes, you have to always control the position of the catheter. Usually we leave it 1 centimeter below the femoral saphanopopliteal junction, yeah. Of course, when we do the tumescent, we also have to control the catheter position, because when you put the tumescent, it can move, yeah. So that's why we do it. We do like this, and we don't usually try not to leave it in the junction like with laser. But when you put the needle, do not have the tumescent in the needle, yeah, because otherwise you will see. Of course, so you must check if it's working, yeah, before you do the, yeah, it has to be.
It's troubles.
Yeah. I also do the tumescents in longitudinal. I start with the longitudinal. You always check in transverse position as well, but I usually start with. Do you have any questions?
No.
And you can see it's going quite well. To have a long needle to do tumescent, because you don't have to puncture so many times, and it can be really painful. I think it's the most painful things during the procedure. If you do laser or sclerotherapy, of course you can see it in the transverse position as well, but it's going quite well. Yeah, pain is on the catheter. Yeah, you You can see the wall of the veins on the catheter, yeah? Or maybe not good. Is it painful? Yeah. And it's definitely much better to use a smaller catheter, yeah? Not so big. Because the results are much better, yeah? Because the vein is, there's, it's 1.3 millimeters. Good one. Good call. Do you do a lot of sclerotherapies in your office? Yeah. So you know the procedure. Yeah, but definitely if you want to close the great or small saphenous vein, you should do this on catheter because it won't. Or you can see that the flush went, yeah. And you are pulling, and you can feel it on the syringe. The pressure you should give to the vein, yeah. Are you okay? Good. She felt good? Good. Me too. But hot. Definitely. Too hot. And you can see that it's in the vein. The vein is shrink. And when you perform the sclerotherapy and it's not on the catheter, you can see that the foam is in the vein, but the vein is big. Yeah. That's why it won't close the vein like on the catheter. Exactly. Perfectly. Good. Yeah, this everywhere. We will finish. Good one. Thank you.